Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an account on KuCoin. First, navigate to the official KuCoin website or download their mobile application from your app store. You will then need to register by providing either your email address or a valid phone number. Make sure to create a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your crypto journey. After registration, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this to confirm your contact information. It is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator for an extra layer of security. For increased withdrawal limits and access to all features, complete the identity verification process by submitting required documents. This protects your assets and ensures a smoother experience. With your account secured, it's time to fund your wallet. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another exchange or a personal wallet by generating a deposit address on KuCoin. Alternatively, you can buy crypto directly using fiat currency through various payment methods like bank transfers or credit cards. KuCoin supports many options, making it easy to get started with your first purchase. Now you're ready to explore the trading features. Head over to the trading interface, where you can select from hundreds of cryptocurrencies. You can place various types of orders, such as market orders for instant execution or limit orders to set your desired price. Remember to always research thoroughly before making any trades. Also, for great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.